700 exercise number 35. Ready? People of 1,000 or 2,000 years ago, it is because on the whole the young people at any given time have been as good as the old people and even a little better. First off, the material conditions of life for the masses of the people of this country are better today than they have ever been. First off, people generally have better food, better houses, and better schools. First off, more care is taken to see that young people, as far as possible, take up work of a kind which will interest them. First up, and almost all large business houses now provide playing fields for their workers. First up, not only are these better conditions offered to the people, it is of equal importance to note that the people are making full use of the better conditions. First up, authorities all over the country have provided schools where those who are at work during the day may increase their knowledge in their free time, either without charge or at a very low cost, and the attendances at such schools are growing yearly. First up, women all over the country and in every station of life are learning the food values of different kinds of food, and people generally are moving into the better kind of houses as soon as it is possible for them to do so. First up, more people own their own houses today than at any time in our history. First up, it is quite true that to learn to face up to troubles and a hard life is a valuable part of our training. But even though the material conditions of our lives are better, we still have enough troubles to face and to overcome in our own times without wishing to turn our steps back into the past in order to find still more. First up, that girls and young women are today in a better position than their mothers were would not be questioned by many. First up, they can lead very much wider and happier lives, and it is certainly not the women who talk with love about the good old days. First up, but men have been doing it throughout the years. First up, here is one example. First up, an old man writes, the minds of the young people are full of plays and shows, and if they are so interested in these things, what room is left over in their minds for learning question mark, and he adds the teachers are just as bad full stop.